Hi everyone, Michelle here from the Junk Journal Studio. I have some freebies for you guys. I just finished them this morning. I will upload them to Kofi right after this recording. And this is your flip through. So I zoomed in so you could get a really good look at them. They coordinate with the Love Always digital kit that I just listed a couple of days ago that all of you guys are already loving. So I think you'll really like this too. 3 of the full page journal pages are gorgeous and work great with the kit. And then, yeah, I'll explain these a little bit more when we get there. So that is the first page. And that just coordinates with one of the pages or more than one of the pages that's in the Love Always kit. And it's not super pink. I mean, we have some pink hues there, but this damask is more of an orangey pink, I guess. So yeah, lots of uses for that one. And then we have this page, which I super duper love. Pink, pink, and more pink. Same roses and even the dictionary page that's in the Love Always kit. Super pretty. Really like this one. But I love this one the best. So there is a collage page in the kit. And although a lot of this is the same as that one, there's a lot that's different too. So I've switched it up and I am super duper happy with it. It is absolutely gorgeous. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. Yep, and then we have some fussy cuts. There weren't a lot of just plain pink roses in the Love Always kit, so I wanted to include some of those. And so these are new as well, and then I gave you some more white ones. The one thing on this page that you will find in the Love Always kit is this rose, this pink rose here, and that and that. So these 4 are in the Love Always kit, except for they are far larger. So these are just little minis of those roses. The rest is new. Ignore the page numbers. They're all wrong on here. They're right now, but they're wrong when I printed this. And then we have some beautiful ephemera. And then some more beautiful ephemera. So that's it, you guys. That's, what did I say? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think there's 6 pages. Yeah, 6 pages for this freebie. And it can be found on my Kofi page. And the link will be down below, as well as the link to the Love Always kit if you're interested and wanted to go take a look. Okay, thanks for watching, you guys. Bye.